90% of Americans unknowingly suffer from potentially serious conditions related to improper breathing and lack of quality sleep. Obstructive sleep apnea is a condition where the soft tissue falls to the back of the throat while you sleep, blocking the passage of air through the trachea. We spoke with Dr. Michael Friedman, Medical Director at Chicago ENT and the Chairman of Otolaryngology, Head and Neck Surgery at Advocate Illinois Masonic Center. He's an internationally known expert and researcher in the treatment of sleep disorders. Dr. Friedman, along with Dr. T.K. Venkatesan at Chicago ENT, will share an innovative treatment for sleep apnea called Inpsire therapy.
Inpsire therapy is a solution for patients who have sleep apnea but cannot tolerate CPAP. Inpsire is a relatively simple system that keeps the tongue awake when the patient is asleep. It does so by placing an electrode on the nerve that keeps the tongue in position. The electrode is powered by a small battery that's implanted, and then every time the patient takes a deep breath, instead of the tongue falling back, the tongue will stay in place. Once the implant is completed, the patient has a remote control unit that he can then turn his system on or turn it off.
One of the things I'm happiest about with Inpsire is that I have nights of sleeping and days of being awake, where before Inpsire, it was all sort of melded together. I would sort of sleep at night, I would wake up in the middle of the night, I would fall asleep during the day.
Inpsire has been a paradigm shift in how we think about surgery for sleep apnea. It started out that we used to think it had to be rather aggressive removal of various structures in the throat. And in 2014, when the FDA approved Inpsire implant, it really made us rethink how we look at surgery for sleep apnea. At Chicago ENT, we really specialize in a collaborative experience in the treatment of various sinus disorders, sleep apnea, thyroid and parathyroid, head and neck cancer, allergy and immunology, asthma, audiology, and facial plastic and reconstructive surgery.
If you've been told you snore or you're experiencing low energy and daytime sleepiness, then you owe it to yourself to give Chicago ENT a call. Let them help you get the rest you need with the revolutionary new Inpsire therapy.